Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Some friends of mine run a project called Car Clinic, and they help out people in need. Single moms, elderly, veterans, people who just are out of a job but they need their car running. I wanted to give them something for Christmas, and I thought a coaster with their project's logo on it would be kind of a neat thing. So this video is going to be about putting the Car Clinic logo onto a coaster.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Car Clinic's website, which is thecarclinic.org. You just type that in. That takes us right to the Car Clinic. And up on top in the middle, that's the logo that I want to grab. Now it looks a little bit small, but the actual image is bigger. I'm going to right-click on it, and I want to view the image. That looks pretty good sized. So what I want to do then is just save this. So I'll just do right-click and then save the image as. Now within Lightburn, what I want to do is, since I'm going to make a coaster, I take my 108 millimeter coaster blank, and we zoom in on it so we can see that. And then I want to import my new image. So I go to my images, and it should be here. Yep, there it is, the Car Clinic logo. So let's get that centered up in here. So I do Shift Select on my square, and then I want to get it centered vertically and horizontally. All right, and let's do this. Let's get that rotated 45 degrees because I want this to be as big as possible. Oops. Okay, we only want that to rotate 45 degrees. So we come up here, 45, enter. And as we can see, it's a little too big for our coaster blank. So I'm just going to sit on this make it smaller button, and also make sure that I'm shrinking it from the middle because I've got the middle of this graphic right in the middle of my coaster blank. Come in about there. Okay, so we're close to the edge here, we're close to the edge there, we're kind of close here. Okay, that looks good. Let's do a quick preview. So Alt-P, let's full screen that. And why is my invert on? I don't know. Let's take a look. How does that look? Okay, I think that's going to work well. So what do we have? We have our stuff. So I'm just going to make sure I've got my ceramic tile white image. These are my presets, so I'm going to assign that to this blue layer where I'm at. And then my blank, basically just the square that defines my coaster, is shut off, so it will not output. So that way I don't have to worry about that. So it's just going to be this image. And how long was that going to take? Not bad, under 20 minutes. Okay, so that's all good. Save this, save as, and it's going to be the Car Care, and we're already in coasters, so we'll just save that as Car Care. And then we'll just go start burning that on a blank.
I want to make sure that the laser is focused, so I'm going to use a black tile as that works better for focusing the laser. I did a video on this recently. I will link to that up here on the top of the video, and you can watch that if you'd like. But the black tile works better for focusing. Once I have it focused on the black tile, I will swap that out for the white tile. I also learned that if you hold the Shift key while pressing the frame option within Lightburn, it will go around the perimeter of your burn with the laser light on. I'm going to get the clear acrylic sheet in place on my fume box so that all the gases will get captured and blown out so I don't have to inhale those, and we can still see the burn. This coaster is turning out really nicely. This will make a great gift for Tim and Michelle.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.